Pizza now. Take it slow. Good job. There you go. Good, Aspen. First time with poles.
Yeah, that's all.
Aspen, she took off already.
Time to return to one of my favorite places, Monarch Mountain. It's located west of Salida, just below Monarch Pass on the Continental Divide.
Alright, you gonna go to the right? Okay. Okay, Aspen, whenever you're ready. Oh boy, what?
This is Aspen's first day back on the mountain since last season.
There she goes. Hey, work on your turns, honey.
This will be her second season on skis, and on day one, after a few warm-up runs on the Bunny Hill, she was ready to try skiing with poles for the first time.
Here I come, Aspen. Woo! Aspen, good job, honey. Yeah. I know, we'll get them now. Woo, bend those knees, there you go. Good job. Aspen, she took off already. Look at her go. There she is. Aspen. Here. I'm right behind you. Pizza now. Take it slow. Take it slow. Turn, honey. Work on your turns. There you go. That's a good turn right there. Good right turn. All right, turn it the other way. Good. Good. That's right, Aspen. Very good, honey. All right, take it right to the line. Come on. Oh, ski poles. Okay, let's go. Good. That's right. Good job. There you go. Good, Aspen. First time with poles.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Yeah. There you go. Good job, Aspen. Go all the way to the lodge. All the way. Yes, honey, that's excellent. Good. Now you can use your pulls to push. That's it. Let's go all the way across. That's it. Come on, hon. Good job. Just push yourself through all the way across. We'll stop right here. We'll get your skis off. I got it. Hold on. Oh. There it is. Woo! Good job. Push hard. You got it. Come on. Hey, all right. Okay, hey, pick up this ski pole. You tired? Come on, we're going home. Here, hold the GoPro. Let's put these here. Come on, back up a little bit. Back up a little bit so I put these here. Okay. Come on. Alright, say bye-bye. Bye, Monarch. Whew, it was a good day.